Hello everyone, this is Mr. Brown. I wanted to just give a little support on what I'm looking for string practice. Sometimes if we're testing out how methods work, so specifically with strings and substring, I just have you guys if I'm testing out a new class, making sure it works instead of before I put it into my whole big program, I just do a little program that tests it out. So just declares a string name and initialize your name as a string literal. Obviously, this is what I'm looking for. Here's the string name, and that's my name, Alex Brown. Okay. Then the next thing uses substring to cut the first name. So a couple different ways you could go right to the printing it out, but I just want to be working with variables, so I'm going to say string first name equals, and then I'm going to do name. For mine, it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So substring of 0, comma 4, right? There you go. That's what I was looking for. So similarly for the last name, I want you to practice putting it out, pulling out the last name, then, just cutting out some other words. For me, row seems kind of interesting, so it would be, whatever, 5 or 6, comma, whatever, right? So then it's just gonna print those variables to a new line. So then that's all you need to do is system.out.print ln maybe, and then I'm just going to print the first name. Again, to work with these variables and get them to go. And again, I can do that for last name, I can do it for all of them. So hopefully that helps with string practice. Now, that was string practice, again, just working with the substring method. The reason why is that then with HelloNameStringPractice, we're going to basically build very similar to HelloName. So again, HelloName just says, what's your name? Takes in the name. Everybody should have gotten this to work by this point. However, then what is your full name? I'm going to do string full name, equals user, or I did scan, whatever your variable is, as long as you're consistent, scan dot next line, because that's the new method. So it's going to take the whole next line. In fact, let's test it out. System.out.println hello plus full name. Let's run it. Make sure hello is your first name. I'm going to say Alex Brown, right? Hello, Alex Brown, right? And you can put an exclamation point. So, but what I want to do is kind of improve this program, and I'm going to say it's kind of working on using what's it called? Using the substring to help kind of do something cool, and that task is to pull out. So it says hello, what's your first name? So your first name is, right? So now if I could do that so I'll do string for my name. Let's try it just for my name. I'm just going to cut that same thing. Okay. So I'm going to cut out, if I'm the only person that's going to use this program, well then that's fine, right? And I could change it. I can run it. Give me a second. Forgot. Oh, full name. Duh. Sorry about that. I changed the variable name on you. Full name, right? And there we go. And let's test it. So Alex Brown. Okay. And it worked, right? But if I did something different, right? If I did, maybe the person's name was John Smith. That kind of looks like it works. But what if I ran it and said Sally Sue? Hello, Sal, right? So obviously you got to put a variable in there. And again, the hint is going to be, you might want to use index of, so int, some variable where you're going to use index of, right? And appropriately to find how to separate this out and then use that in there. Again, this takes some thinking. It's a little bit more challenging, but and I could show. Give me a second. Okay, so I've hidden the solution, but so just so you get a point, what I did was I cut it right? So here's Sally Sue. It says, hello, Sally. It worked up there. You see John Smith. Hello, John. And if I run it again, CC, right? It kind of adapts, right? So again, you're going to use that index of in a creative way and pull out just the certain part that, again, what are you looking for? So hopefully that helps, gives you great direction, and thanks so much, and God bless.